everyone, this is Maria, and today we have another fun toy unboxing. This morning I was at Target pushing my shopping cart through the toy aisle when this caught my eye. Look how cute these are. And so these are real littles, real brands, real cute. It says new, your fave brands as Shopkins. And so inside we're going to find 8 Shopkins and 8 mini packs. These are for ages 5 and older. And so here's a miniature Pringles canister. And also you see the little Pringles Shopkins. And so these right here, the Chef Boyardee spaghetti and the bottle of Welch's grape juice, these are cardboard inserts. And so they look really nice. They really make the packaging look great. All of your favorite brands to collect. Real littles, real brands, real cute. Contents 8 Shopkins, 8 mini packs, 1 collector guide. Look out for limited edition bling brand Shopkins. These real littles are really cute. Stock the shelves and play in your own miniature supermarket with real minis of all your favorite brands and a real little Shopkins tucked inside. So there's a sweet snacks theme, a savory snacks, breakfast, and dessert. Yum, that's my favorite is dessert. It says, will you find a special editions Skechers Shopkins? And look at this. This is a National Hebrew hot dog. That's adorable. And on this side, we have a canister of Ready whipped cream. Here's the second one. And so we have another canister of Pringles. This is the original. And everything is the same on the packaging, except the little miniature here is the Welch's grape juice, the white grape juice, just like this one. And a little teeny tiny glass of grape juice. And you can see the little straw. It looks just so adorable. So here are the cutouts from the package. And I think I'm going to save these. So here's the miniature cheddar cheese Pringles canister. And here's the little cheese Pringle. Oh my gosh, this is way too cute. And so let's go ahead and put our little Shopkins miniature Pringle inside the canister. Look how cute that is. Now here is the canister. Here's the large canister of Pringles cheddar cheese. And you can see it's flat on this side. And on the back it says, everybody get ready. Grape to meet you. Get a little loopy and Shopkins. That is really cute. And so let's go ahead and open this. It's got a little bit of tape and I don't want to tear that. So I'm going to use my scissors just to clip that. There we go. And let's go ahead and empty this. Look at this, you guys. It's filled to the top. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it just keeps coming out. This is great. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. These are the snack puddings. Oh my gosh, look at that. These are real looking. It has all the nutrition facts on the back. Look at the top. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This is the chocolate with the vanilla. And this is plastic here. Oh my gosh, I am so impressed with this. I love this. So let's see, do we open this? Yes. You open it and then there's some more inside. Let's go ahead and see. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. So that's our first one. I'm going to put that right in there. I'm going to use my scissors just so it's a little bit faster. And let's see, there must be another one here. Oh my gosh, there is the second one. So let's go ahead and put this pudding in here. And let's go ahead and cover this up, the snack pack, and there we go. Let's open another one, you guys. This was so much fun. I was so excited, I forgot to show you the collector's guide. Look at this. Wowzers. This is so super cool. I love these. And then look at the back. There's so many to collect. It says there are 50 to collect. Oh my gosh, what is this? It says lights. It says Shopkins lights. This is cardboard. And so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh look, we got the Skechers. Wow, Wow, we got the Sketcher, you guys, on our second try. And so let's go ahead and put the Sketcher right inside its box. That's why it says lights. This is so cute. And so this one says Apple Jacks. Oh my gosh, Apple Jack cereal. Look at the back. There's even a little comic back here. Too cute. Look at all of the detail. There's the nutrition facts. There's the top of the box. And so let's go ahead and open it from the top. And let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, look at this. These are the Apple Jacks in the package. Oh my gosh, these are fantastic. It's like Christmas. Nutri-Grain, look at this, Nutri-Grain bars. It says morning energy. And again, here's the side of the package, the back of the package, just like the real thing. So let's go ahead and open this one. I don't think you'll need scissors, but I'm just doing that for the time factor. Oh my gosh, look at this Nutri-Grain bar. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I love this. Look at the jam. I love this. I really, really like this, you guys. So let's go on to the next one. Let's see what this is. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is a package of cookies, the fudge striped Keebler cookies. I don't think this one opens. I don't see anywhere where I can open this, and even if I did, it would tear the cardboard. So I don't think this is one that you can open. I had to get my magnifying glass out because I couldn't read that, but it's golden spicy mustard. And look at this. Oh my gosh. This looks great. And again, this one doesn't open, but that's okay. It is super, super cool too, you guys. I have a feeling I'm gonna be saying super cool a lot in this video. These are the club crackers. Aren't they cute? And look at the package. All those crackers. Look at that. And this one does open. And so let's see what's inside. Oh, look at the crackers. They look real, don't they? And these are really delicious crackers too. So let's go ahead and put the crackers back in the package. I did find out this does open, and so I didn't think this opened, but it does. Oh my gosh, it's mustard. Look at this. This is so cute. We can put our mustard right back into the mustard jar. I think this one opens up too. And so this is the first time I'm doing this, so I wasn't sure. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So these are the Keebler striped cookies. And so I was counting them, and I said there should be 8 Shopkins. And then I saw that little part, you know, where it splits apart. And so let's go ahead and open this one. Oh, look at this. Look at these. They look real, don't they? I love these cookies too. Oh my gosh. And so let's go ahead and put the little Keebler cookies right back inside their package. There we go, you guys. It is adorable. So cute. So now let's go ahead and open up this second package. So here we have our collector's guide. And then we have our cutouts that I'm going to keep, the Welch's white grape juice and the cherry Pop-Tarts. And then we have the real littles that look so real and the Shopkins grape juice. And so let's go ahead and tuck this right inside. And let's open all of the other packages. So here we have our Pringles original canister. And on the back, it says, hang loose with the juice. Don't be jelly. Pop it and lock it. These are so cute. And so let's go ahead and open this. And there they are inside. And let's pull this out. So this is the first one. Oh, look, we got the Chef Boyardee Ravioli. Oh my gosh, you guys, we got the Chef Boyardee Ravioli. So let's go ahead and open this and see which little Shopkins we got. Look at this. This is a little Shopkins ravioli. And it has a little bite out of it. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, so cute. Let's go ahead and put our ravioli inside. So that's our first one. Here we have the club crackers again. And so if you get duplicates, you can always trade them with your friends. There it is. These are the club crackers. Oh my gosh, look at that. These are the cutest crackers, right? And so let's go ahead and tuck these back inside. This one is Kellogg's Frooties Mixed Berry. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this. I mean, I cannot get over how teeny tiny the nutrition label is back here. There we go. And so let's see what this looks like. Oh my gosh. It feels kind of rubbery. And watching my fingers. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Since the berries are a little rubbery, it took me a little while to put these back in the package without tearing the package, but they are so cute. I cut this one with the scissors, you guys, so be very careful. I'll have to find another one of these. And so I'm not worried, I'll find another one. Animal crackers. So I should have taken my time, and you know what? Let me just show you real quick. Just scoot it all the way down so you don't tear them. There it is. The package is still really cute. And so yeah, like I said, I'm not worried about it. I will get another one. And so let's go ahead and open this. And let's look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love these little animal crackers with the icing and the sprinkles. And they look so real, don't they? And let's see what we have. Oh, look, this is a Welch's juice also. This one is white grape cherry. And so let's go ahead and open this up. And let's check this out. Here it is. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Look at this. This is white grape cherry. There are the little eyes right there. So cute, isn't it? Just so adorable. It looks like it's even spilling over the side. And so let's go ahead and tuck that right back inside. We have two more. And so I'm going to be very careful again. I'm going to go all the way up here at the top. Let's see. Oh, look, we have another snack pack pudding, except this one is the vanilla pudding. And so I think it's vanilla. No, this is not vanilla. It's banana cream pie. Yum. These are so adorable. So let's go ahead and tuck them inside. There they go. And I'm going to put the lid on. And there you go. These are adorable. So this is our last one. This one says Twinkle Toes. I wonder if this is another Skechers. But look, the artwork on the box is different. This is so cute. Look at this box. I love these little shoe boxes. I'm pretty sure it's a shoe. And let's see. Oh my gosh, look how cute this little glittery shoe is. Look at the little face, the little laces. Just so cute. So detailed. It looks so real, doesn't it? So let's put our little Twinkle Toes Skechers shoe inside the shoe box. Here's my honest opinion about these real littles, real brands, real cute. I have to agree, they are really cute. They're super cute. And so I have to give them 2 thumbs up for sure. Yay! And even an applause because these are so cute. I love them. I highly recommend these. They're a lot of fun. You saw how I accidentally ripped into one of these, so be very careful when you open them because some of the items are made of cardboard and paper, and so you don't want to tear them like I did. But that's okay because it gives me a reason, an excuse to go back to Target and buy some more. Again, I paid $10.99 for each one of these packages. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day and happy shopping. Bye, you guys.